In this video, we will learn about growing the Facebook audience. So you start by inviting people you already know who might be interested in becoming a fan of your page. For example, your friends, family members, employees, customers, suppliers. Once you have exhausted this list, and this is not going to be a big list in case of most businesses, you need to find new users so you can keep growing your audience. How do you do that? You can grow this list organically by attracting new likes through engaging content. You can publish content that people like. So your existing set of fans like this content, they interact with it, they click, they like, they share, they comment on it. And by doing that, they expose it to their friends. And some of their friends will then become your followers because they like the content they're seeing. So this is one way of growing your followers or your audience on Facebook. You can also grow your audience through advertisements. So you can advertise your page, you can promote your page on Facebook to targeted audience based on who you want as your followers. And Facebook will show your ads to those people. And if they click the like button, they'll become your followers. And you'll end up paying Facebook some money for acquiring this follower. Let us see how you grow your audience organically on Facebook. The best way to grow audience organically is to create highly engaging content that your audience loves. Develop buyer persona that we discussed earlier in the course to understand what is going to appeal to your target audience and produce more of that kind of content. Look at your competitors. Look at other companies which are doing well on Facebook. See what they're doing, what is getting engagement for them on Facebook. And try and repeat what they're doing on their Facebook pages to build engagement on your own Facebook page with your own audience. Publish content that attracts and engages people who already like your page. Because if they get engaged, then they will interact with it. And once they interact with it, then it flows into the newsfeed of their friends. And you get more exposure and likely more followers. You should test a variety of content. You should test photos, videos, status updates. You can run event polls. You can promote events. See what engages your audience best. You can ask questions and have them post answers in the comment section. A lot of people love to answer questions. You can post short videos that keep playing in a loop, like you might have seen on Facebook. And people love those short videos. You can add images with captions like quotes, quote of the day, things like that. A lot of people love those things. You can also post quotes with or without the image. Quotes work really well. You can also run a giveaway, like a contest. You can ask people to do certain things like uploading a image, responding to a question, tagging friends, and in return you can give them a prize. On any given day, a typical Facebook user's newsfeed will see about 1,500 possible stories or updates. But Facebook's newsfeed algorithm will only allow 20% of these stories to show up, which means out of 1,500, only about 300 will show up in the newsfeed. This is just to keep users' newsfeed uncluttered. How can you get more people to see your update? How can you make sure that your updates make it past these newsfeed algorithm filters, so your updates, your content is in the 20% selected to show up in users' feed. That is the challenge of creating and engaging people through content on Facebook. Great, let us see how well you have understood this topic. Why should you grow your followers on Facebook? Because a large number of followers boost your ego, large number of followers make the company a leader, large following gives us better audience for posts and updates, large number of followers means more sales. The correct answer is large following gives us bigger audience for posts and updates. The more audience that we have, the more likely that they will engage with it. So more number of people will engage with our posts and updates, and therefore more and more people will see this in their newsfeed because their friends interacted with the newsfeed.